Hi, and welcome back to our Aromatherapy for Depression and Anxiety series. Hopefully you've been following along with us in our previous series, and you've learned what aromatherapy is and why it works, what's the difference between using a single essential oil versus a blended formula, and what's the best way to use a blended formula in aromatherapy. So now we want to talk about how long will it be before you can expect some results if you use aromatherapy to help in healing. Well, the good news is unlike traditional medications used for altering mood, aromatherapy works relatively fast. In fact, many people have reported that they experience positive results with using aromatherapy in as little as 30 to 40 minutes. However, the results will vary according to the selection of oils that you use and the proper exposure to the aroma. If you remember from our previous series, we talked about the types of oils and the chemotype of the oil that's being used. Now, it's important when healing that you're using the right chemotype of the oil or the blend to accomplish the effect that you're trying to have. Now, if you're not quite sure how long to be exposed to the oil, I suggest you go back to our series, What is the Best Way to Use a Blended Aromatherapy Formula? In that series, we review the various ways of using aromatherapy and the approximate time that's recommended to have you be exposed to oils. So why do these oils work so fast? Well, part of the reason for such fast results is because the aroma has direct access to the brain via the olfactory nerve cells in our nose. We have over 5 million. This basically eliminates the digestive process, which is needed for pills and other forms of medication. It also helps to eliminate the unwanted side effects which are experienced with many oral medications. Now, I want you to keep in mind here, we're not trying to diagnose and we're not trying to treat depression or anxiety. The goal here is not to treat or cure any mental disorder. The goal is to help you break the cycle that you're in and to get you moving. Remember, Albert Einstein said, to find balance in life, you must get moving. You can't be depressed and moving at the same time. So get moving. And to find out more on how to get moving, go to www.aromatherapycanhelp.com. This is the Self-Care Nurse. Thanks for joining us, and I'm signing off.